What are they called?
Cheese and chalk. The boss is
They're not called cheese and chalk, they're chipmunks. Look like cheese and chalk though, don't they?
Yeah.
Are you feeding him?
Yeah. They're all to feed them.
Got loads to feed him?
Yeah.
Wow, he's enjoying that, isn't he? They're cute, aren't they?
Yeah, but they're hungry. One want food.
See how fast they just went?
What,
It's a
Mummy?
white one. Do you want to go see the monkeys now?
No. Yeah.
Hello.
I want some.
Goodbye. Is he liking that?
I want some. I want some.
She wants some.
Yeah.
Hey, Bobs.
That's
Bobby.
Oh, dang. I need to get a bit of food.
A bigger spoon.
Spit in that one. I
Good.
want some.
Look, feed that one, look, Frankie, over there, because he's trying to get your attention, look. You want to feed this one? Oh, he's gone now. He's run off.
What's me?
It's because he keeps following him. What's his name, Frankie?
Hey, stop
He's
it!
a goat. Can you say goat?
No.
Billy goat.
Billy go.
Billy goat. Can you say chipmunk?
Ow!
Did he bite you?
Yeah.
Oh, let's have a look. I think the food's all gone now anyway, mate.
Hi, Frankie. Frankie. Hi.
You see the monkeys, Frankie? You want a bit more of what? Oh, you're getting some flowers.
Go to the snakes.
Come on then.